Medina County, southeastern Bandera County, Hayes County, northwestern Guadalupe County, southwestern Blanco County, southeastern Gillespie County, Kendall County, northern Bexar County, Comal County, until 12:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 60 miles southeast of Lukenbach near Kwiatkowski State Natural Area to Ariel Country State Natural Area, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Southwestern source, radar indicated.
Southeastern Gillespie County,
Impact.
Kendall County,
Expect considerable tree damage.
Comal County.
Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations include San Antonio, New Braunfels, San Marcos, Schertz, Kyle, Cibolo, Converse, Universal City, Live Oak, Judah, Bernie, Selma, Wimberley, Blanco, San Antonio International Airport, Randolph Air Force Base, Canyon Lake Dam, Canyon Lake, Leon Valley, and Helotes. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include San Antonio, New Braunfels, San Marcos, Schertz, Kyle, Cibolo, Converse, Universal City, Live Oak, Judah, Bernie, Selma, Wimberley, Blanco, San Antonio International Airport, Randolph Air Force Base, Canyon Lake Dam, Canyon Lake, Leon Valley, and Helotes. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.